In a frozen Siberian village buried under endless snow, an elderly Yakut woman stands against the storm, her deep wrinkles carved by years of survival, her fur-lined coat wrapped tightly around a lifetime of memories. She walks slowly through the heavy snowfall, carrying a bundle of firewood on her fragile shoulders, moving with a strength that defies her age and the brutal cold around her. Inside her rustic wooden cabin, she warms her trembling hands over a tiny fire as icy wind slips through the cracks and reminds her that survival here is never guaranteed. She steps back into the blizzard with only a lantern lighting her way, snow swirling angrily around her like the challenges she has faced all her life. She feeds her loyal husky outside the snow-buried shed, her breath turning to mist as the quiet winter silence wraps around them. At the frozen river, she gathers water from an ice hole, her hands numb but her resolve unshaken. From her cabin window, she watches the raging snowstorm, the warm candlelight softening the sadness in her eyes. She chops firewood as snow gently falls, cooks simple soup on her old stove, repairs her broken fence, and leads her animals carefully through the icy village paths. Every action a testament to her unbreakable spirit. Her weathered face, touched by melting snowflakes, holds stories of decades spent fighting cold, loneliness, and time itself. She pulls a small sled loaded with supplies, pushing through the storm with a determination born from necessity. Inside, she prays in the warmth of candles, sews her worn fur boots, then walks across the frozen lake at sunset, her silhouette stretched long across the glowing ice. Deep in the snowy forest, she gathers fallen branches, and back home, she stands beside her house, nearly swallowed by winter, leaning on a stick but refusing to bend to the world. At night, she lights a small lantern as the aurora borealis dances above her, painting the sky with a beautiful storm.